friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will talk about newly launched Lifetime Health India plan of Manipal Cigna Company. But before starting the video, I would like to request all of you that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get latest updates regarding my videos. Let's start today's video. Friends, Lifetime Health India plan is a specially designed plan by Manipal Cigna Company. This plan covers you and your loved ones for lifetime and secure your finances in a difficult times. So now let us know what are the benefits you get under this plan. Friends, minimum cover you can take under this plan is up to rupees 50 lakhs and maximum cover you can take up to 3 crores. If talking about the age, then the minimum entry age for taking the policy is 91 days for children and 18 years for adults. And maximum entry age is 25 years for children and 65 years for adults. Policy term, it means the time of the policy can be 1, 2 or 3 years. You can take this policy individually as well as on family floater basis. You can take individual policy for yourself, for spouse, for children, for parents, for your siblings, for parents-in-laws, grandparents and grandchildren, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, uncle, aunt, nephew and niece. And you can take family floater policy for 2 adults and 3 children, like for yourself, spouse, parents or parent-in-laws, and for dependent children whose age are less than 25 years. So clearly it means in floater policy, you can cover maximum 2 adults and 3 children under a single policy, and 2 adults as self and spouse or father and mother or father-in-law and mother-in-law can be included. Now let's know what are the expenses covered under this plan during your treatment. Friends, this plan covers your hospitalization expenses. It means if you remain admitted in the hospital for more than 24 hours continuously, then this plan will cover all your expenses you have incurred in your treatment. Health checkup is also available in this plan. It is available for adults of 18 years and above. Daycare treatments are also covered. Daycare treatments means treatments and surgeries that are performed in less than 24 hours are known as daycare treatments. Robotic and cyber knife surgeries are also covered. Benefits of pre and post hospitalization you get covered under this plan, in which pre-hospitalization is covered for 60 days and post-hospitalization is covered for 180 days. Modern and advanced treatments are also covered. You are also covered for serious diseases like HIV/AIDS, STDs. This plan also covers your inpatient Ayush treatment expenses. It means if you take your treatment in Ayurveda, Unani and Siddha, you get those expenses covered. Apart from it, this plan provides you a mental care cover, so the expenses incurred during the treatment of your mental illnesses related to stress, anxiety, depression are covered. Road ambulance is also covered in this plan. You also get the benefit of sum insured restoration, that too at an unlimited times, but it is not applicable to the same person for the same illness. Organ donor expenses are also covered. That means if a person donates his organ to you during the transplant, then the expenses incurred in the treatment of taking an organ from donor's body will be covered in this plan. Now you also get the premium waiver benefit in Lifetime Health Plan. Let's know about this benefit. Friends, if any partial or permanent disability happens with the insured person covered in the policy, or let's say if death happened during an incident, or if the insured person is diagnosed due to any serious illnesses, then in such situation, the company will pay the next renewal premium for 1 year once in the entire policy term, and this benefit gets terminated automatically. This is how the premium waiver benefit works. You also get covered the expenses of domiciliary treatment. That means after consulting a medical practitioner, when you are taking treatment of any disease at home in which you do not require hospital admission or beds are not available in the hospital, then in the treatment at home, if any expenses incurred, then this plan will reimbursement your those expenses related to the domiciliary treatment. Now let's talk about the discounts available in this plan. First, you get a loyalty discount in which you get 5% discount from the 4th year of the policy to the 7th year, and as soon as the 8th year of the policy start, you will get 10% discount. Second, you get long-term discount in this plan. It means if you choose the policy term 2 years, then at the time of paying premium, company will give you 7.5% discount on 2nd year premium. Now same, if you choose the policy term as 3 years, then on the 3rd year, company will give you a discount of 10%. Apart from this, you also get a 15% family discount in this plan if you include 2 or more than 2 family members in a single individual policy. Friends, now know about the optional packages under this plan. The first is Women Plus package, in which you can go for the breast cancer screening, osteoporosis screening and facilities like cervical cancer screening, ovarian cancer screening, cervical cancer vaccination, physiotherapist and psychological consultation, gynecological consultations are available. And in the second optional package, Health Plus, you get air ambulance cover, major illness hospital cash, medical devices and non-medical items, chemotherapy and radiotherapy cash, domestic second opinion, accidental hospital cash, and facilities such as bariatric surgery cover, domestic concierge services, convalescence benefit and teleconsultations are available. Now an add-on cover is also available to you in this plan, that is critical illness add-on cover, and critical illness means serious illnesses. Now let us know about the waiting period of this plan. Friends, there is an initial waiting period of 30 days in this plan, and waiting period of 2 years will be there for specific disease, and the waiting period of 24 months will come for pre-existing disease, and waiting period of 90 days and the survival period of 30 days will be applicable on critical illness add-on cover. Now let us know about the mode of payment of this plan. Friends, you can pay the premium of this plan yearly, half-yearly, quarterly and monthly. You also get a free look period of 15 days in which you can cancel the policy. Friends, this is an affordable and a value for money plan. If you want to know more about this plan, you can contact me with the help of a number popping up on your screen. Hope the information shared in today's video is beneficial for you. I will continue to bring important information related to health and life insurance for you. I want to thank you all of you wholeheartedly because of the contribution given by each and every one of you. Today our channel has gained more than 13,000 subscribers plus 6 lakh viewers. I literally have completed the family of more and more people, all the people who are connected with my channel. Stay supporting us in the journey, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching our video.